那必然看最后3秒的时候，我们
No.
Hello everyone, welcome to our live studio. Sing with the chance. I'm today's host studio. This is my colleague Vincent. He just come back from a business trip.
Hi friend, this is Vincent.
Hi Vincent, I think you must have mastered a lot of marketing information through this business trip. Maybe you can share with our audience here.
Yeah, okay. This time I went to visit some places in Shandong province, and it took about 2 weeks. I mainly visited some feed companies and breeding companies.
Shandong is a major feed province in China, and with annual feed yield of about 37 million tons, ranking first in China, accounting for 17% of the country's total production. Shandong's feed situation is the wider one of the whole country. So, do you have any industry trends you can share with us?
Yeah. Recently, the news has reported that the feed industry has set off a wave of price increases. The major feed companies have raised the prices one after another, with an average increases of 75 to 100 RMB per ton feed. At the same time, this year our country issued a ban on the use of antibiotics. So everyone is eager to find an effective way to reduce costs.
Indeed, this wave of price increases is also expected because the prices of raw material have gone up. Is any good ways here?
Yeah, now we are recommending some environment-friendly feed additives to our customers, which are safe and effective. And the customer feedback is pretty good.
Really? Can you share such a good product with our audience here?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, the product is new, and which is brand new. And its main ingredient is bile acid, and it has two main functions: promote fat digestion and absorption, and protects liver and gallbladder health.
Can I have a look?
Right? Why not?
Promote fat digestion and absorption. Can you tell us in detail?
Yeah. And we know bile acid is the main component of bile, and it is a natural substance existing in the body. The fat components eaten by animals and humans are mainly digested by bile acid.
Promote fat digestion and absorption.
Yeah.
As my knowledge, there are some products in the market that claim to promote fat utilization. How is the bile acid different from them?
Good question. Before talking about the difference between the two, how fat is digested and absorbed should be figured out. The whole process is merely divided into 3 steps: emulsification, digestion, and absorption. Emulsification is to decompose the fat of large molecules into small droplets. Digestion is merely dependent on lipase, and absorption is the process in which small droplets after digestion enter the blood circulation through intestinal epithelial cells.
The digestion and absorption of fat is a very complicated process.
Yeah.
After understanding this process, we can understand the difference between the two better. How does the emulsifier work?
First of all, let's talk about the main emulsifier products currently on the market. In general, there are 3 main emulsifiers on the market: soybean phospholipase, lecithin, and lysolecithin.
As my knowledge, the mechanism of this product is very simple. Same as some of the detergents we use, it is rely on the bipolarity in nature to make the water insoluble substances fully fills with the water and increasing the two-phase interface.
Yes. They merely play a role in the first of the three major steps of fat digestion and absorption. Here is the table.
I show
Yeah,
you.
let's look at the difference between bile acid and other emulsifiers in terms of emulsification. Emulsions can be divided into two types, oil in water and water in oil. The emulsion is usually unstable, which requires addition of emulsifier, which is one type of surfactant. The intestinal tract is one water environment. The emulsifier with a high hydrophilic lipophilic balance value has better emulsification effect. Here is the HLB value of different emulsifier. The HLB value of bile acids, as you can see, is around 19.
Very useful information. Apart from these aspects, are there other differences?
Of course, as we know, emulsifiers only has this effect, but bile acids can act in all three processes of fat digestion and absorption. In step 2, digestion, the suitable pH value for lipids is 8 to 9, but the pH value in small intestine is only 6 to 7. In this condition, lipids doesn't work. The lipids can be activated by bile acid when they combine together. Bile acids can open its cap and release the catalyzed elements. In the meantime, the structure of lipids is also changed, which can let fat droplets contact with catalyze in order to hydrolyze into fatty acids, glycerin, and monoglyceride. And in step 3, absorption, fatty acids cannot enter into intestinal epithelium itself. It can only be absorbed when combined with bile acid. Then the mile cells consisting of lipolysis products will pass into bloodstream.
The mechanism of bile acids for fat utilization is very comprehensive and can cover every step.
Yes, you got the point. In addition, bile acids can protect liver and gallbladder health. Bile acids will apart with the fatty acids and back into the liver to finish its enterohepatic circulation. And this circulation, a large amount of bile can be secreted, which will wash out endotoxin and macrotoxins produced by using antibiotics and non-conventional feedstuffs. So, antibiotics in feed can effectively protect the liver and gallbladder, maintaining the animal health.
Okay. Well, the bile acids can not only promote fat digestion and absorption, but it also protects the liver and the gallbladder health.
Yeah.
As a component of the body itself, bile acids does have a comprehensive effect with all the side effects. In the current environment of binding antibiotics, how to find an effective and multi-effect product is very important for us and the farmers. Okay, that's all for today's sharing. What's your opinion on the difference between bile acids and emulsifier? Welcome to leave your comment to discuss. Subscribe our channel. The following content it will be more useful. See you next time.
See you. Bye.
Okay.